Welcome to the heart of the home, the place to not only prep family meals, but to review homework and entertain guests. Most kitchens are overworked and could benefit from a few key updates before hitting the market. Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. Doing a major renovation on a kitchen can be expensive and sometimes exceed a seller's budget. Here are 5 home staging tips to help make an impact so buyers can visualize themselves living in the space. Remove clutter and do a deep clean. When staging a kitchen, it's important to show clean, spacious countertops. Put away any items that are not used daily. Remove refrigerator magnets and papers and limit the number of small appliances on the counter to 3. A coffee maker, a mixer, and another appliance you use daily. Don't stop there though. Buyers love to open drawers, cabinets, and even appliances. So make sure you have a plan to keep these areas organized and clean. Make sure to include degreasing areas surrounded by the stove, scrubbing cabinets, washing down walls, shining up appliances, and doing the dishes daily. Add a new coat of paint. Painting is a simple and cost-effective way to update a room. Choose a paint color that is off-white, beige, gray, yellow, green, or even blue to help give the kitchen new life. If you're using a pop of color on the walls, make sure it fits in with the architectural and design style of the property. You can also paint cabinets and drawers instead of replacing them. A popular kitchen trend is having mismatched cabinetry with different materials and colors that complement one another. So consider replacing the top cabinets and painting the bottom ones. Update the lighting. If your light fixture is dating the room, replace it with a newer version. Replace discolored and sticky hi-hats, add a statement fixture that matches your home's design style, and consider inexpensive undermounted cabinet lights to add task lighting and set the mood. Change out the hardware. Don't underestimate how small details can set the tone for the kitchen. Replace the knob and pulls on cabinets to help create a different look in the room. You can also install a new faucet if your old one has seen better days. There are a variety of styles and finishes that can vary in cost. You might want to look into a faucet with features like a motion sensor or a pull-down sprayer. Zone your accessories. Finally, consider which accessories you want to display based on the proximity of other items throughout the room. If you have a coffee maker on the countertop, create an area next to it that provides a few mugs and decorative canisters with coffee and sugar. Or maybe next to the stove, you showcase how much counter space there is to prep a meal with a cookbook, cutting board, and a few ingredients. This helps buyers visualize how they can accomplish everyday tasks. By using these home staging tips to refresh your kitchen, you can be one step closer to the closing table while staying on budget. Happy selling!